Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After finishing alignment, our today class is about profile. Alignment is basically the center of the road. We are always it's presenting the center of the road, and profile is for the showing of the surface, how the surface from the start to the end, how it's going. So for that purpose we draw profile. So today class is about how to draw profile. Let's make a center line. Suppose this is the center line of our road. Same like previous method, we will create alignment from polyline. I will give name to my road alignment. Same like previous thing setting is okay. Now this is the center line of the road. From the top view we don't know which area is up or down, so for that purpose we draw a profile to know about the surface. So you can create surface profile from here. If you click on the alignment, you can create R from the main menu here, profile, and then create surface profile. Click on the create surface profile, and then the alignment name is there. How many alignments inside your drawing, it will appear here. If you don't know the name of your alignment, then you from here from select from the drawing the green block, you can select your alignment. Station range, you can the alignment, it's showing the alignment total length is starting from 0 to 992.43. To simple mean, you can draw with the range of the station if you want, but now we will draw for the whole alignment. Here you must select the surface, because it will draw the profile of surface, so you must select a surface. If you have many surfaces, then from the green block you can select, click from here. You also know the name of your surface, or click here on the surface and then click add, and it will add to profile list. When it added to profile list, now you can see the detail of the alignment. Its style is less than the maximum minimum elevation and length. From here you can select the profile style. I already select the existing style, so in the minimum maximum elevation, click on the draw and profile view. For the general settings, this is the name of the alignment. You can give the name to your profile. It will show above the profile, and you can write description here, the profile style you want. Generally I am using this style, so I will use this, or you can create your own profile style. You can check from here. Okay, if you want to show offset profile by vertical stacking profile view, from this option you can show the offset uh, profile. The station range, automatically it is selected, or you can select the range of station for which you want to draw a profile. Okay, uh, and the next uh, profile view height, one is for the length, one is for the height. The elevation, automatically it will create between the minimum and the maximum elevation, or you can user specified, you can split the profile. As you can see down in the picture, it will split your profile in different ranges. Okay, in the profile display option there is a option, it's showing you how your profile will be, like this style existent existent style is for that one. And the dynamic mode, the maximum elevation. Now from here you can select the band. The band is below the profile, where we write the NGL, PGL, station, super elevation. That's level. So these are called the band. There is a location for the band. You can select the band style from here. There are many band style. You can select one of them, and you can create your own also. And you have option to put the band above or below the profile. So we always put at the bottom of the profile, so we will select at the bottom. If you want to hatch the cut and fill area, you can hatch from here. Click anywhere outside, and now you can see the road A center line profile. Now this the, if you see, it's NGL showing the natural ground level, the surface name. And from here you can see the bend, the existing ground. This is the level of the existing ground. As we did not create PGL, so and the both finished ground also the same level. When we will create, then we will change the level of the PGL finished ground band. There is a station vertical geometry. This vertical geometry is for the design. So when we will create design, horizontal geometry is for the alignment. It's showing where is curve, where is straight line. So if I will show you in dividing the screen by in horizontal two parts. So now you can see it's the up to 393, it's a straight portion. So you can see the length, and it's showing from here where your curve starting, same, and where is ending. It's showing the exact station. It's the length of the curve and the radius of the curve, you can see from here. And then the length of tangent, the straight line from the end of the curve to the end of the profile. This super elevation, we still we did not calculate it, so when we calculate it, it will appear here. Okay, now if you make the this profile is dynamic mean if you will make changes to your profile dynamically, it will change here your surface. Okay, will delete the polyline. When you make changes to your alignment, it's directly changes in the profile view. Suppose if I will change the location of the center line, it will automatically change in the profile. If you adjust your profile, automatically the in the profile the changes will directly occur. So this is the good thing about Civil 3D. You don't need to delete like AutoCAD again and increase stationary scale like it is dynamic. You can when you adjust your alignment dynamically, it will adjust it automatically. It changes the length. You can see below, as you change the start point and the end point, the profile automatically change. If I increase the length of the profile, also increases now. So like this, uh, we can create the profile. From profile, now you know that which area is up and which area is down. So for that purpose, we create profile. Inshallah, tomorrow uh, we will create the design. This the natural ground. We will make for the road the design level. We will make video on the design. Okay, thank you.